the last thing I'm going to show you, remember part 3, is the SkyComm Connect user portal. Okay, so I'm going to bring this up, and again, here's our website, skycommconnect.com. If you have a service request, you can leave it over here on the service request option. SkyComm 2Ms Connect.com. Okay, the portal is simply portal.skycommconnect2ms.com. Portal.skycommconnect.com. When you surf to that, you will be able to log into the portal with the credentials that you created from that installation team email you received. And remember, again, 24-hour limit, expiration date or expiration time on that link that you'll have in there. But anyway, I've got the credentials. I'm going to log in. And I have a security code that I can use here. This is something new we've just added. The need for a two-factor authentication for some companies is a big issue. You can use two-factor authentication on these portals if you like. You don't have to, but you can. So I'm going to go into my authenticator program, and I have a code here, 393172. I'm going to go ahead and submit that. That'll let me in. So I'm going to show you how to set up two-factor authentication. Some of you are not going to need to know how to do this at all, but I'm telling you about this for those of you that would like to have two-factor authentication on your portal, okay, with SkyComm Connect. So first thing, to set up two-factor authentication, I go over here to where my name is. I drop down, I go to Profile, and in the Profile, under Account Security, you can see where it says multi-factor authentication, and you can click up here to set that up. I won't go into much detail about it now. It's not something we normally train on. It's a new feature, and it's available if you'd like to use it. Okay. And that said, here is the dashboard page of the SkyComm Connect hosted PBX portal. Okay, and what you're seeing here is we have voicemail messages that are here. I've got 5 voicemail messages. I could have up to 8 that it would show me on the dashboard. If there were more than 8, I would go to this messages tab to see more messages. If I'm just getting my voicemail to my email and I'm not getting it to my phones, okay, there'll be nothing that'll show up here on the voicemail messages. And remember, you can always ask us to change how you receive your voicemail. If you don't really want to get it on your phones and you just want to manage it in your email, let us know. Let us know by either telling the person in charge of your telephone system in your office, or by contacting us directly, and we'll be able to help you. And so you will get voicemail messages here. As long as they're on your phone, they'll be here also. Again, if it's just coming to voicemail, you won't see any here. You'll have a recent call list history down at the bottom. The most recent 8 phone calls are there. If you have more than 8 phone calls, you can go over here to the reporting section, and it will show up to 90 days worth of phone calls. And you can see you can show 15, 25, 50, or 100 results per page. Okay. But let's say somebody called you on Monday and you promised them a return phone call, but you forgot to write down their phone number, but you know they called you around lunchtime yesterday, right? So you can go into filters here, and you can set up, put the date and time in for yesterday between noon and 1. Put that information in here, and you know they called you. It was an incoming call. Set this for an inbound call type. Select filter, and it'll just give you the few calls that correspond with the details that you've selected, and then you'll be able to find the person's phone number and give them a call back. That's just one use for call history. You know, it can be very helpful. Music on hold. There's music on hold that almost every company has when you put somebody on hold on the regular system. But did you know that you can also have music on hold, personal music on hold, that you have for your own extension? You can. Just be sure that you're using music that's legal for you to use. I think there are some royalty-free music files that are available on the web. You can search for those if you'd like to use them. I don't know really anybody who's using their own personal music, but you might be the first one. So there you go. It has that option. One other thing I'd like to draw your attention to over here is messages. Now, you do know that if there's more than 8 messages, they'll show up in here. But this settings tab here is really powerful, because this is where you can set up your voicemail greetings very easily. Okay, so down here under greetings are the voicemail greetings, and I have 4 greetings here. I have a normal greeting. Let me play this for you.
You have reached Mark Rowe at SkyComm Connect. If you are calling with a service or support.
Okay, so that's a normal greeting. When I was on vacation just a little while ago, I had this playing.
Please listen to this out-of-the-office message. You have reached the voicemail box of Mark.
So this is my out of the office message, and I'd set that up. And then when I came back, on the day I came back, it was so easy to just put back my normal greeting and have that be played. Well, we have a new feature that actually has just come out, and it's called text to speech. So now I'm using text to speech for my message. It's not my voice anymore. So listen.
You have reached Mark Rowe at SkyComm Connect. If you are calling with a service or support request, please press 0 and you.
So text to speech is available. All right. So you can use your own voice, or you can use the computer voice for your voicemail greeting and your recorded name. Listen to this.
Mark Rowe.
That's a computer. All right. So that said, if I want to set up my voicemail greeting for the first time, there'll be nothing here, but a pencil will be available. So I'm going to click the pencil, and we'll just pretend I don't have any greetings. I'm going to add a greeting, and then it gives me choices. I can use text to speech. I can upload a pre-recorded file. Maybe I have a professionally made greeting, or I can just record. In this case, I'm going to do what most people do, at least prior to the text to speech option. I'm going to record. I need a greeting name. I'll call it training. And then I need to have a telephone for it to call me at. This is my extension number, and if I'm near my extension, I have it call my extension, because that'll be the highest quality recording that I can get is on my extension. But if I'm not anywhere near my extension, I could have it call, my cell phone, or I could have it call my neighbor's home phone, or maybe I'm in a hotel and I'm in the lobby. There's a phone there that I know the phone number for. I'd have it call me anywhere. Okay, and when it calls me, it'll call me after I press this call button, and I press the call button, and then when my phone's going to ring, and when I answer it, it will say, please record your greeting now. When you're done recording, press the pound key. So that's all I need to do. Record your message, hit pound, come here, say done, hit save. After you say done, you'll get back to the page you were on before, hit save, and you're ready to go. And really, that's the main things that I want to show you about the portal. One other thing, you'll notice up here it says manage organization. The reason that you see that on my user is because I can manage other users in this organization. I'm the office manager, it's called, for the phone system. So I can make changes to other users, but most users only have the ability to manage their own information. Okay. All right. Well, that said, let me go ahead and stop sharing that. All right. I'd like to thank you so much for taking the time to watch this training today. Today we've talked about how to use the hard phone on our hosted PBX platform, how to use the mobile app on SkyCom hosted, and also how to access and a few features of the user portal. We're very glad that you've chosen SkyComm Connect for your telecommunications needs, and we hope to have a long relationship with you. And remember, you can contact us at our website, skycommconnect.com. You can open a service request there. You can email us at support@skycommconnect.com, or you can call us at 410-872-8300. That's 410-872-8300, and all of that contact information is available on our website as well. So until we meet next time, thank you so much, and bye-bye.